I'm happy to share with you some of my reflections on mysticism. Definitely, if we make efforts, we can acquire, not only acquire it, but also experience it. These are the windows or the doors of our experience. If we keep a safe guard on that, unwanted experience will not enter our spirit. Not only that, we must trim our senses, keep them in healthy condition. And because there is delight, we get addicted to it. We bring it under control of the reason through a certain disciplined life. And this disciplined life may be felt as darkness. There is a hidden truth in our life. A person is greedy about power. And in order to have that power, in the political field or in a religious field or social field, in order to have that power, he may indulge in committing any crime. We need to have a certain disciplined life at the level of the senses. Only then our senses will be attuned to the spirit and we may be able to experience mystical contemplation.